In this lesson, we will learn how to use the Separate tool. This tool is used to separate 3D solid objects with disjoint volumes into independent 3D solid objects. A union or subtract operation can result in a single 3D solid that consists of more than one non-continuous volumes. You can separate these volumes into independent 3D solids. Note that separating solids does not separate Boolean objects that form a single volume. The Separate tool can be found in the Solid Editing panel of the Home ribbon. To get a better understanding of how this tool works, I will move on to an example. As you can see, there are two boxes in the drawing area that are independent objects. Since they are two independent objects, you can select them separately. I will use the Union tool to turn them into a single object. Notice that now the boxes are selected as one object. To separate them again, I will activate the Separate tool. Once the tool is active, I have to select the object I want to separate, so I will select the boxes and press Enter. The tool deactivates automatically and the boxes are now separated. In the next example, I will use the Subtract tool to create a new object. I will activate the Subtract tool, select the object I want to keep, and press Enter. Then I will select the object whose volume I want to remove and press Enter again. Notice that even though the final object consists of two separate masses, AutoCAD treats them as one object. So, to turn them into two different objects, I will activate the Separate tool. I will select the object and press Enter. Notice that the objects are separated.